So by now you've probably heard of mewing: lips together, teeth together, tongue on the roof of your mouth. Breathe through your nose and maintain a solid facial posture to improve your health and facial appearance. I've been mewing for over 5 years now, improving to the point where it's not something I consciously think about at all. What helped me reach this point is experimenting with over 40 different exercises to work on my body posture, tongue strength, jaw positioning, and much more, all to improve my mewing. You might think mewing is complicated and therefore you don't know where to start. I completely understand that, and it can definitely feel overwhelming, especially mewing, which requires a habitual effort every day. Let's simplify the process with the 80-20 rule. Remember that 20% of the things you do will typically get you 80% of the results. So to implement this, here are my 5 best exercises to help you mew better. Start with these and you'll be well on your way to great results. Let's get into it. So exercise number 1 is called tick-tocks. You want to go tick-tock. Make a suction noise with your mouth and your tongue. Do 20 reps of these. Each tick-tock is 1 rep. If you can't do 20 reps, do as many as you can with quality and work your way up. So maybe start with 5 or 10 if your tongue gets sore, and then just slowly work up each day. So why is the tick-tock exercise important and number 1 on the list? You're training your tongue to actively stick to the correct position in your mouth for mewing with the suction method. Most people have trouble with this part, so actively train this to make rapid improvements when starting out your mewing. Exercise number 2 is called the Mackenzie chin tuck. You want to go like this. Basically, bring your chin into your neck. You want to do this 20 times. Hold each rep for a second or 2 and don't overstrain it. You want to feel a gentle stretch in the back of your neck. If you can keep your tongue up in the mewing position while doing them, it's even better. Why is the Mackenzie chin tuck important and number 2 on the list? Having your head and your skull in the correct position, correct posture, will go a long way in helping you mew naturally. If you have a shitty forward head posture from mouth breathing, it's going to be much harder for your tongue to stick up rigidly to the roof of your mouth. See if you can feel it when you do a chin tuck. You should naturally feel the back of your tongue move up to the roof of your mouth at the back. That's the position we're trying to be in as much as possible. So definitely train the Mackenzie chin tuck. Exercise number 3 is called tongue holds. Go like this and hold it for 30 seconds. Try to keep your tongue as symmetrical as possible to the rest of your face. So in the center and symmetrical. It looks stupid, but it works. Then curl your tongue. Like try and touch your top lip and hold that for 30 seconds as well. So what's this do? You're training your tongue's strength. It's hard to keep it up in the mewing position if your tongue is weak AF. Train it like any other muscle, but isometrically, because that mimics what mewing is. You're holding it in that position for as long as possible throughout the day. Training your tongue also has other benefits, right? Ask your girlfriend or a female friend of yours if you don't know what I mean. Exercise 4 is the forced swallow. No, it's not what you think. You're going to humiliate yourself only. Put a finger between your teeth, like this, and then swallow using only your tongue. It takes a bit of practice, but it's probably one of the best exercises by far. If you can't do it with a finger in between your teeth, just do it with your front teeth in line and together and work your way up. Why is this important? We grew up swallowing wrong. We ate soft foods and liquids and we didn't chew enough or swallow correctly. We need to train our tongue to swallow correctly by using it. This is the 100% best way to practice. Yeah, it also looks silly, but you're improving yourself and your health for life. Always remember that, guys. Put yourself and your health first. The final exercise, number 5, is the air pump. Close your mouth, get in some air, and pump it around your mouth. Just like that. We're going to do 10 times on each side. Up, down, and side to side. 10 reps of each. Okay, Jack, so what's up with this one, you ask? We're actually activating all the facial muscles and practicing lip seal. You have to hold the air in your mouth. When you apply pressure internally, your lips have to stay shut, which is what we want when mewing throughout the day so that we can breathe through our nose, not our mouth. Do these every day for the best results. Let me know if you got something from this and I'll drop part 2. I've got 5 more advanced exercises to take your mewing to the next level, but I recommend nailing this first and at least doing them every day for a month. Please drop a comment if you have any questions about these 5 exercises I've talked about today or mewing in general, and I'll definitely be sure to get back to you because it's too important not to spread the word. Everyone should be mewing by now. Let's do it. So shoot us a like if you got something from this video and share it with someone if you think it would help them too. Subscribe if you want to see more videos helping young guys just like this. I'm Jack Alderton and I'm helping ambitious young men improve their life one step at a time.